for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, power windows, heated front seats, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, fog lights, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.